We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, what a wonderful, wonderful week it's been. We've had 2 full days of athletics at the Casey Fields Athletics Track. And I must say, when I visited, I was so rewarded to see so many excited children, so many happy children cheering and clapping on their classmates. I was also very, very impressed to see every single student try their very, very best in everything they did. So a big congratulations, everybody. And I just want to say a really big thank you to our PE team of teachers and also our teachers in our home groups. And also I want to say a really big thank you to our office staff who support while putting the activity together. It's been a wonderful team effort, and it's great to see our children having so much fun, so much enjoyment in their learning. Well, my next point today is just to remind everybody about the importance of being at school every single day to take part in your learning. We know that sometimes you get ill, sometimes we can't come to school because people in our home may be ill, and sometimes we have to go to the doctor or the dentist. But it is so important that you attend school every single day. Because as you know, one day that you don't attend is one day of lost learning. Let me tell you a story about when I was your age. I loved school. I loved primary school. I loved my learning. My teachers were fantastic, just like at Cranbourne East Primary School. And I really enjoyed everything we did every day. I enjoyed being with my friends. And what I would do in the morning to make sure I wasn't late, I would put my school uniform out on the end of my bed. I'd have my bag packed near the door. And in the morning I'd get up, I'd have my shower, brush my teeth after having breakfast. And as I was walking out the door, Mum would give me my lunchbox. I'd put it in my bag and off I'd walk to school. And that way I made sure I was on time for school every single day. Now, my next point, I've got some really exciting things to share with you. And this is a little activity that was performed in the library. And we invited children to write about why they love the school library. Here's some of the responses. This is a place where books take you to another dimension. Our school library is a place that we all enjoy to read. The library is set so very nicely to engage us all to be there. Why I love the school library? Because it has little shelves full of knowledge and support. Why I love the school library? Because of the variety and the staff there. Why I love the school library? I love the school library because you can get lost in your imagination while reading. There are so many books, and that is true. I think there's well over 20,000 books in our library. Why I love our school library: reading has lots of purposes, and my purpose is for knowing more things and knowledge. And the last one I'll read today: I love library because it has a lot of books and I like reading them. So congratulations to our students and thank you for the feedback. I do have lots and lots more things to read out, but I'm going to put those in the newsletter next week. And finally, it's been absolutely fantastic seeing everybody around the school this week. But I do want to congratulate all of our students in year 3 to 6 for wearing masks inside the building during learning time. So a big congratulations, everybody. It's absolutely fantastic to see our children doing the right thing. Keep up the great effort, everybody. Take care. Make sure you do some reading every single night. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care now. Bye.
Grade 1s have been learning about gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful for the things that you have. Oakley, what are you grateful for? I'm grateful for my family, friends, food and money.
Harper, what are you grateful for?
My Teddy, my family, my teachers and my money and my school. Hania, what are you grateful for? I'm grateful for my family, my friends that let me play with them, and my mum and dad and my teachers that let me learn.
Cody, what are you grateful for? I'm grateful for my friends, my teachers, money, iPad and ready to learn.
We're going to show you our gratitude garden and wander in.
Can you step right inside? Awesome.
What do you enjoy about Bike Ed?
I enjoy it, to play, ride with our friends and learn how to ride a bike and be safe with the teachers teaching us.
About Bike Ed, I really enjoy it. I think it's fun and it's awesome to learn how to ride a bike properly and without crashing into people and everything. And like I said, I think it's fun to do it with your friends.
I like Bike Ed because it's fun and we get to learn about road safety.
I like Bike Ed because we get to do different activities and have fun.
What do you enjoy about Bike Ed?
You get to ride around the school and have a bit of fun.
You get to have fun by riding bikes around the school and learning how to ride bikes.
Why do you think Bike Ed's important?
I think it's important because we get to learn about road safety, and when we go out of school we can use what we've learnt.
It's important because we get to learn about how to ride a bike and What's the safety of the road?
Why do you think it's important to learn how to ride a bike?
Because if you want to ride a bike when you're older, you're going to need to have some skills of being able to ride a bike. To be safe, how to ride a bike and how to stop.